The total earnings since the time I invested in until now, I think close to 200,000. Hi, I'm Jessie. This is my 100K milestone story. When I was attending the masterclass, and Cayden shared about some of his students achieve a 100K earning over a 12 months moving average. And that fascinated me. I'm like, will I be able to achieve that one day? That was back in 2021, and in the year of 2024 is a turning point. My capital has grown, and my overall 12 months moving average from 2024 January to 2024 December has crossed way above and beyond 100,000 Singapore dollars. Just from the option alone, I am getting an average of about $5,000 a month consistently, regardless of the tariff, regardless of the 2022 interest rate movements, the elections. I have been tested through times from different crises that the income from option has been quite consistent. I always thought that earning money has to be very difficult. I thought earn money must be put in a lot of effort, and then you have to go through all the grinds and a lot of hours, a lot of times just to earn a few dollars. Or rather, that's what I known all this while from the active income. Then as I know about investment, I realized that it's the other way around. Earning money can be as simple as a click of a button, and that completely changed my worldview about investment. I got to know about VIA through one of the graduates. I was enrolled right after the masterclass, and I initially thought that it will be very boring, but the trainer, which is Cayden, make it really interesting and make a lot of complicated things very simple to understand. So I learned a lot about how to do a portfolio allocations, making sure that you are not putting yourself at unnecessary risk. I have all along think that investment is necessary, especially when I get to know that the pace of inflation is faster than the rate of my salary increments. With my family household grow, more and more expenses are needed. So that's when I think that learning about investment is critical to ensure that we are able to live a better life. My goal is certainly to beat the inflations and to be able to live a better life, not just for myself, for my families, for my children, and more importantly, to be a role model to my children. I have 4 daughters, to know that there are different ways to earn income, so they will be able to also lead a good life, hopefully. And if they are no longer worried about financial, they have more time to pursue their dreams. They have more time to explore what is their purpose in life. If anyone wants to learn about investing, I think before Cayden retire, you should give yourself a chance to just come for the masterclass, to listen to what Cayden have to share. Watch the demonstration. The demonstration of how he print money from thin air is life-changing. That was a critical moment for me to see how can one person just print money out from thin air just like that. And if you think that you would like to explore and learn a bit more, if you think that you would like to have additional income without the 9-to-5 jobs, why not join the 4 days class and make sure that you take actions and earn a consistent income all the way until you are 80, 90, 100 years old.